Don't go near Wayne.
Don't near the crazy neighbor. Oh, that's good one.
That was good. No?
Yeah.
It's not going to explode or anything.
Massively bright.
That's normal. Oh, so far that's the
Alright, doubt that.
You video it? Are you being beat?
What is that? Just blow that one. Or want me to blow it? How would be too smart?
Are you doing one or
No,
both?
they're doing them at the same time.
Oh,
Trying to put
boy.
them together. Alright, plug your ears, boys. This is gonna be. This is gonna be intense.
Those raffles.
This is the raft, boys. They bring lighters out and start fires in the driveway.
John's got the later in his
Oh yeah, remember?
Alright.
Right.
Oh, not lighting.
Come on.
Why not? Come on.
God will do it.
Wayne will do it.
Yeah.
Remember when we start that fire? Like, John, sneak your house in the bathroom to get the lighter. And he's like, no, he did it, and like, Wayne's house. I plug your ears, guys.
Ready?